Okay, everything
Hello,
is
good
fine here.
morning.
Yeah, very good. Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm totally fine. How about you?
Yeah, I had a pretty good day so far. So it's been nice. Yeah, since morning I'm doing something. So yeah, I'm feeling good.
Okay, that's great. Are you YouTuber?
Yes, I have my own YouTube channel. My channel name is Jaffor Driver Talk. Yeah,
Okay, that's great. Okay, I think we are meeting for the very first time, isn't it?
yeah, yeah,
Yes. Please, could you introduce yourself first of all?
yeah. Surely, ma'am. Why not? Because basically I'm connecting with you from Kolkata. And in terms of my education, so I have just completed 10 class standard. And about me, for my living, I am a driver. So I have been with this profession since a long time, more than 10 years. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's great. And who inspired you to learning this language nowadays?
Yeah. Because why should someone choose learn to English? Because there are abundant opportunity to have a great communication with the other people, right? So sometime I'm getting some foreign passengers, so I need to talk with them. So definitely I have been practicing since 1 year. So some of foreign passengers, they really inspired me to learn this language. And when I have started my YouTube channel, so from that day I try my best to reach my uplift and reach my accomplishment. Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Good to know about you. Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm pursuing master degree as well as I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I'm a married person, mother of one person. Nowadays, I'm also running YouTube channel. Name is Global English Quits. That's all about me.
Yeah, great to know about yourself, because I have seen some of your videos and you have a captivating voice, and I think you have some of fabulous conversation with your YouTube channel. So,
Oh,
do you
thank you.
strike? Yeah, do you try to conversation with random people, or do you have any judgment that I should talk to this person or that person right there?
Not like this. In my suitable time, whenever people I get to talk, then I start to talk with them. I don't think like this. I should talk with them. I do
Okay.
not judge to anyone.
Yeah. So I can predict something that you are a phenomenal person. So yeah, that's the reason people are getting some opportunity to learn something, having the conversation. Because yeah, because educating each other to look into the commonalities, because success is not just your accomplishment, no. Yeah.
Yes.
So
Okay, your English is really good. What you do for enhance your communication? Apart from communication, what you do?
nothing, because genoglossia, you can consider me to that I am a genoglossia, because some people they don't learn any language but they can able to speak any language. So that's the reason I'm practicing with myself, but I'm not reading anything. Just if I will get any time, so before go to the bed, so that time I'm watching some videos. Yeah.
Conversation videos or any special video you watch?
Yeah, prior I used to watch some conversation video, but now it might change habitually that I'm watching some intellectual video. Those are giving very intellectual video on YouTube channel. Yeah, some of my role model. So I have been following to them since a long time. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Please share a link also. I wanna watch because your English is very flexible and you are speaking very attractive now.
No. It's not like that, because so can I confirm your name pronunciation very quickly? Is it Sushmita or Susmita?
Yes, Susmita, Susmita.
Yeah, nice name.
Yeah,
And you have a really captivating smile, because a smile always
so much.
it's a biggest weapon to others. No, they can feel better. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for positive compliment. It makes me
I
energetic and do something better.
So before deep dive into the session, so I have, if I may, grow off a few more questions. So will that be okay with you?
Yes, sure. I will
So
try to answer.
are you getting any uh, class from English hearing?
Yes, I'm taking classes from English CRE. Nowadays it's over. Now it's completed.
So how many session you have already attended?
I have attended, I think, 17, 18 session from there.
17, 18. So what are the areas do you think that you have already improved after having those session?
After having those session, yeah, maximum is the pronunciation and
Yeah.
article and preposition. It's mostly I was lacking on this part, so they prefer to work on this.
So in
Mostly
future, do you think
pronunciation
that?
because you know, our mother
Hmm.
tongue it's including in while talking
Ah,
some words. That's why they
yeah.
told me about you should learn this way because you know I'm from Assam, so I mix some in between Assamese tune. So
Yeah.
they told about you should avoid this kind of things. And apart from its article, sometimes I
Yeah.
skip article while talking.
Yeah.
Sometimes I skip preposition,
Yeah.
this kind of things they point out. Yeah, you
Yeah.
know, basically I did not get too much profit from there because whenever we do like this practice with each other, that is very satisfied and profitable because
Hmm.
after talking with them they just point out our lacking part. You should
Hmm.
work on that.
Hmm.
Nothing is special. I did not get too much profit. How much I did spend money, that much I don't think, I did not think that is
Hmm.
valuable.
Yeah,
I did not think.
casual conversation is better than that, because if you will
Yes.
going to interact in daily basis, one or two person, so that will be okay with you, if anyone, because we are not from the privileged family, we are not getting any circumstances or atmosphere in my family. So that's the reason sometimes we need to take some classes from the mentor, or we need to follow some rules through the mentor. And you are absolutely right that I was actually, I had same problem earlier when I was going to interact with someone. So that time I was feeling that my pronunciation is not good, but I was thinking that pronunciation is not my priority at this moment. I need get good fluency with this language. But
Yes,
yeah, we have tend to use our mother tongue, so that's the reason in West Bengal side and Assam, we are sometime it influence our mother tongue. So yeah, I am
yes,
totally agree with your argument.
yes. That is not big deal. You know, we are not professional here. So
Yeah.
gradually it will increasing. That is not a big deal. That is considerable. And yeah, they told me about you should work on that. Definitely I will do. For
Yes, yes.
definitely they want to better my
Ha.
communication.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
they are teachers, so they can judge very properly. I agree with them. But yeah, apart from that, I did not get too much knowledge.
Okay. So how is weather is there in UP? I think it is
Yeah,
scorching
here
hot.
is too hot. Yeah, heat wave is going on, increasing is day by day.
Mhm.
Yeah, how is it there? How is weather
Yeah,
there?
same as it is here. You can see that I'm sweating bullets in this time. So
Yes.
I feel hotter than hell. Yeah, outside is it's feel like an oven outside. So in this afternoon I'm getting for the day. So I in this afternoon I have to go somewhere, but I am sibling no, that how can I go there, and it will be take long time to return back to my home, maybe 1 hour, 8 hour or 10 hours. So yeah, so sometimes I'm
Okay.
feeling very exaggerate. So that's the reason. Yeah. So yeah, perfectly okay. But I have to do this because maintain my family is my priority, first priority. Then I yes, I have my own YouTube channel, but I'm not consistent with my YouTube channel. Weekly one or two session like that. Yeah. But
Oh, when you
God
started?
gracious. Yeah, God gracious that today you have gave me your precious time. So thank you for your contributions today. And I'm
It's my
really,
pleasure.
yeah,
It's my pleasure to connect with you. No
yes,
need
yes,
to say thank you. Yeah. And okay, you are told about your professional, what you do, driver.
yes,
What did
yes.
you say?
Yeah, I can prefer to drive each and every type of vehicles. Sometime tourist bus, sometime truck, and it's a
Okay.
season wise. Yeah. Now
Uh,
I have track, no, because
Okay,
lots of
truck.
vegetable, yeah, lots of vegetable we have to ship to Kolkata side. So it's far from our city in Kolkata, 150 kilometers. So I have to go there and return back. Yeah.
Okay, you have to do every
Yes.
day you do or you skip someday.
Yeah, sometime I'm working with my irritable boss, and sometime they are irritating me, and it's kindly analyzing. So sometime I'm deny that today I'm not. I don't want to go there. Yeah, sometime I'm supposed to go there, but sometime I'm regret to something that I don't want to go there. Yeah, but mostly
Okay,
weekly 5 or 4 days. Yeah,
okay. What do you prefer to drive, daytime or nighttime?
yeah. Nighttime I perfectly okay. I feel much pleasure for me that nighttime. Yeah.
Yeah, it's comfortable. Maybe there are no crowd on
but
road.
but nighttime some drawbacks. I feel that if I will fail to in a traffic or congested area, so sometimes I feel nodded off and sometimes I feel sleepy. So
Oh,
that's
yes,
sometimes
that's the
drawbacks. Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, do you have any question to ask me?
No, yes, I have already asked you in several type of questions, so eventually if you would like to ask me any type of questions, so you can shoot out.
Okay, okay. Tell me about who inspired you to learn this language. You already told, but I want to deeply.
Eh,
What is
eh,
the main motto of behind reason? What do you want to do in future to using this language?
Yes, if you think education is for getting job, so which means you are not educated at all. So I am not educated, but the thing is that if I have one task, so that can lead me to come closer in connect to the different kinds of people, right? So that's the reason I was thinking that if I will be prolific with this language, so people will get to know me about myself, that I am a not educated, but still I am speaking to you. So since we are speaking in English, so people are going to more respect to ourselves, right? So
Definitely,
yeah, and if you could do that, because lives in one, no, my family, because I didn't get any opportunity to take higher education because I was financial crumbs. So in my next generation, I want to change some trajectory of my family members, because upcoming generation, if I will think that maybe they will influence by myself and they will be inspired from my side, that yeah, I know English level. But the thing is that if you will ask me what my future plan, so my future plan is that in my local area, people they are not getting more privilege to learn this language. Actually they are not. Yeah, I pretty sure that a lot of people are educated, but they don't know how to speak in English. So I pretty sure that, and I'm firm believer that I would like to help to them. Those are student and those are very much interested to learn this language, and those are zeal or enthusiastic person to learn this language. Yeah, I'm going to help them. Yeah.
definitely. Your thing is really good. Do you have any ambience to speak with people?
Ambience. What is the meaning of ambience? I couldn't get it point.
Ambience means, yeah, atmosphere. You can say environment.
Yeah, in when I am at my village, so that time I'm not getting any privilege, but when I'm outside, maybe I need to pick up some foreign passengers, so entire my journey I like to learn something from themselves. Yeah, their accent, and I try to understand their accent. Sometimes I'm conducting with and operating as a unit with foreign passenger, British, American, and some Arabic people. Yeah, they knows better English. So that's the main part of my learning English. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's great. Sometimes you face this kind of person to connect.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, that time how you feel? You feel enjoy?
Yes,
That
of
time you feel
course.
comfortable to talk with them?
Yeah, now it's doesn't matter that who is the other side and how many advanced English they are you going to use, but I am feeling better now, because earlier I was so weak in this language, because I have started my journey very scratch level. So
Okay.
now it's doesn't matter that who is the other side. Sometime it is if they will ask me any prejudice question or use any accent, so yeah, definitely I'm going to stuck somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah, and that is a simple thing. It's happened with everyone, No one
Yeah.
perfect. If you ask some
Yes.
difficult question to them as well, they will be not able to answer those questions.
Yeah,
That
it
is simple
happens with
thing. That
everyone.
is
Yeah.
simple thing. That is no need to think about too much, you know.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Tell me about your hobby. What you do like?
Yeah, driver always listen to, they habitual to listen to music. No, music it floats my
Okay.
boat, and yeah. So if I will get any free time, so I always listen to music. Yeah, some
Listen to.
classical songs. Yeah,
Okay, classical songs do you prefer to listen? Okay,
yeah,
I think mostly, drivers they play music and they
yeah,
drive. I
yeah.
think it will be stress free. What
Yeah.
is the reason?
Yeah, actually, sometime we feel that lethargic, and we are associated with the some uh, because we have to alive, no need to sleep. So that's the reason driver always, if they will listen to music, so their mind or subconscious mind will be attention to the in front of you and the other side. So
Okay.
that's the reason, or one most important thing is matter a lot that if you will listen to songs, so your mind will be fresh, no. So that's the reason, yeah, but I'm
Yes,
not
yes.
yeah. Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, that's great. Okay, you use many advanced word and grammatical is totally correct. What you do? Are you focusing on grammar section also?
Yeah, sometime because grammar is important for anyone to speak in English, I think. Yeah, if you want to start, so no need to focus on grammar, or no need to open a single page, and never ever open a single page of grammar, but you have to speak. Then your inner energy must tell you that this sentence is incorrect, but the next conversation you will be perfect on that sentence, right? So a
Yes.
foolish person is not the person who make the mistakes, but that person who repeat the mistakes. So we have mistakes a lot, but somehow it could be reduced somehow. So that's the reason sometimes I'm following that sentence is wrong, but sometimes it is happened that it's a unfamiliar mistakes and unknown mistakes. Yeah, but people are very intelligent, and those are really good at English, so they can always appreciate you that you are trying your best level to
Yes.
correct yourself, because I get lot many people who is by I can able to correct myself. Yeah.
Yes, definitely you are doing really hard work. I can understand you telling about your education.
Yes.
So I can understand how much you effort are putting.
No,
That
yeah, I'm not practicing. Yeah, if you'll visit my channel, so many of videos you will get, so then you can realize something or you can presume something about myself. Yeah.
okay, okay. That's great. I will visit on your channel.
Okay.
What did we say your channel name?
Jaffer driver talk.
Jaffer
TALK talk.
Driver. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know Auto Driver? I think he's a YouTuber. He's a
Yes.
YouTuber.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, please send me your channel link after
Okay. Thank you.
conversation.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for joining. Okay,
Yeah.
have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, bye.